Hello everyone, my name is Soumie and today I'm going to talk about boolean operators. So let me open up this slide. So boolean operators, in other words they are also called logical values, are very simple and easy to understand. They are usually three different values. For example, in programming, these two and signs means and. Be careful not to use one sign, but two and signs. The second one is like this sign, which is two parallel lines, vertical lines, which means or, and the second one, this sign, means not. So in order to understand better, let's consider some examples. For example, true and true equals to true. True and false equals to false. True or true equals to true. False or false, obviously it's false. False or true equals to true. So let's move to the next page. And this sign which we talked about is not. This means not. For example, this is not true, which equals to false. Now let's make it a little bit harder. In order to solve this, let's say, problem, first of all we must consider the very inside of this parentheses, just like the mathematics. For example, in this example we have not false, so it's true. Then we have this sign, not true, which means false. Then we have not false, which finally equals to true. So the next exercise, this is exactly like what we do in mathematics. First of all, we must begin from the very inside of the parentheses. True and true equals to true. Then false or true equals to true. The next one, false or true equals to true, and false and true equals to false. So let's consider another example. For example, in JavaScript, we have these constant values. Constant a equals to 3, constant b equals to -2. In order to print out these operations, we will get false. So the reason is that this output is false is because obviously a, which is 3, is greater than 0, which means that is true. However, b, which is equal to -2, is not greater than 0, so it's false. And we know that true and false will result in false. So if we write console log a greater than 0 or b greater than 0, so we know that a is greater than 0 because it's 3, is true. B is not greater than 0, so it's false. We know that true or false will result in true. So the next example, again, this is true, this is false. True or false results in true. We have this sign which means not true, so it's false. Thank you for watching. There we go.